have a blind test. Hey, well, blind test is a pretty easy activity, but let's show it to you with maybe 2 or 3 different versions, okay? So, version number 1, the normal blind test where you use actual music that you can play on your phone, on a computer, with the guitar or any other musical instrument. For example, just going on YouTube. Raise your hand.
Ed Sheeran.
It's
Ed Sheeran.
And the song is?
Shape of You.
It's Ed Sheeran and the song is?
And the song is Shape of You.
Big sentence?
It's Ed Sheeran and the song is Shape of You.
Yes, okay, excellent. So, of course, this, there are a lot of playlists on YouTube, on Spotify, on so many things. And really, the linguistic goal is that you guys create a full sentence. Now, number 2, I like this one, humming. So, I'm just gonna hum a song and try to have the others guess it. So, what is this? I'm not even sure myself, so let me try another one. That was Single Ladies, by the way. Well, that was me trying to do Single Ladies. Let me try another one.
It's Pharrell Williams and the song is Happy.
Excellent! 1 point, 1 point. Okay, so do you have a song you can hum? Can you hum a song? Yes? No? Ah, Clémence. Okay, Clémence, take my place. Go. Oh. Wait. It is Michael Jackson and the song is Thriller.
No.
No?
Yes.
It is Michael Jackson and the song is Billie Jean.
Yes.
Oh! Why Thriller? Okay, never mind. Okay. Third thing you can do by singing, playing on an instrument, or any way you want, but using themes. You announce the theme in advance. Okay, the theme now is movies. Dun 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 dun. The movie is you know that movie, no? Dun 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 dun. Oh man, no. Well, sometimes it fails. The movie is Indiana Jones. Well, let's see if you guys can. So, obviously, you didn't know. Okay, do you think you can sing a movie song? A song from a movie? Leonie? You have one? Okay, wait, I got another one. Oh, Clémence, you have one?
It's complicated.
So, yeah, one thing, beforehand, not like we're doing in this video, have to think about songs they can do, okay? Because we didn't think about a lot of songs. Wait, last one, the last one. Dun 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 dun. Oh man! I'm sure everyone knows.
It's Narnia.
No, it's not Narnia. No. Dun 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 dun.
It's Harry Potter.
Thank you, Clémence. Thank you.
I've never seen Harry Potter.
Oh.
We're gonna end the video on this tragic revelation that Leonie has never seen Harry Potter, okay? So we're gonna make Leonie watch Harry Potter for 9 hours straight, okay? That's gonna be your new job. And we're gonna end with this. Have fun with blind test, bye!